Hi, AT from CNC at Home. A viewer had said that they were using the titanium dioxide on a coaster or on a ceramic and using the GreyScale option. It got me interested to give that a try, as they said that they had gotten some really good results. I just picked this random image and I'm going to bring that into LightBurn and apply that with a new set of settings. Let's go into LightBurn and take a look. Here in LightBurn, you can see that I've edited this image a little bit. I wanted it to fit on a coaster, and it's more wide than it is tall. So I made its height 110 and its width is 146.667. And I used this template as a mask. So if I click on the image, you can see the image actually extends out beyond my mask on both sides. What this will allow me to do is when it burns, it'll burn just this area. And of course in the preview it looks horrible. If we take a look at the layer settings, what I've done is created a grayscale image mode. Pretty much everything else is the same. So my speed is 4,000. My max power is 40, which is what I normally use to burn the titanium dioxide. My minimum power is 0. So on the image, where it's white, that's going to be 0. Where it's black, that's going to be the 40%. It then calculates the in-betweens, and we'll see how that turns out. My worry is that with the titanium dioxide, it'll either be black or white, and there won't be any in between. So the clouds will be a good determining factor. We'll see how that comes in. The ship maybe as well. It has some wispy stuff. The characters, they don't have a whole lot of contrast or shades of gray, but we'll see how they turn out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and send this to the laser and take a look at how that burns. I'll take this over to the sink and get it washed up, see what it looks like then. Now that it's cleaned up, take a look at it. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I like the way the clouds turned out. I think checking out the black and white option within LightBurn is going to be worth some more experimentation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing. That really helps us out. Enjoy doing your CNC at Home projects.